Hey everyone, and welcome back to Ideaplex. Today, we're diving headfirst into a topic that's been buzzing around the creative world, Vidful AI, the AI-driven platform. Whether you're a seasoned creator, a business owner, or just someone who loves experimenting with videos, this tool might just become your new best friend. So, grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's explore what Vidful AI has to offer. Transform text and images into stunning videos effortlessly. Create high-quality videos in just a few clicks, ready in about a minute. Vidful AI is a powerful AI video generator designed to make video creation simple and accessible. By integrating cutting-edge technologies like the Kling AI and the Luma AI Dream Machine, Vidful AI offers a seamless experience for anyone looking to produce videos online for free. Vidful AI offers a versatile range of tools, from AI video generator from text to image to video AI generator. Whether you're working with images or text, Vidful AI stands out as an exceptional AI video generator that provides high-quality results tailored to your needs. To begin using Vidful AI's AI video generator, simply input your text or upload an image. The platform supports both AI video generator from text and image to video AI generator features, allowing you to create videos from written content or static images effortlessly. Vidful AI offers an AI video generator free online, giving users access to powerful video creation tools without any cost. This feature makes it easy for anyone to create professional-grade videos directly from their browser, with no downloads or installations required. First off, let's talk about usability. Vidful AI's interface is clean, intuitive, and beginner-friendly. Within minutes of signing up, I was already creating my first project. I remember spending hours on other platforms, trying to align text and visuals just right. With Vidful AI, that frustration was history. Experts predict that by 2025, AI-driven video tools will power over 60% of digital marketing campaigns. Vidful AI is leading that charge. Now that we've seen how easy it is to use, let's dive into its real magic. After submitting your input, Vidful AI's advanced algorithms will process the information. The AI efficiently converts your text or image into a dynamic video, ensuring high-quality results in a short amount of time. Once the AI video generator has completed the video creation, you can preview the final product. If you're satisfied with the output, simply download the video to your device. Vidful AI makes it easy to produce professional-grade videos ready for sharing or further editing. Vidful AI integrates the Dream Machine to elevate your video creation experience. This advanced AI video generator is known for producing cinematic quality videos with realistic motion, consistent character portrayal, and smooth camera transitions. Vidful AI enables users to craft visually stunning videos that capture attention and convey a professional edge. Whether you're creating content for marketing, education, or entertainment, Vidful AI ensures that every video you produce is polished and stands out in any competitive landscape. Animate Image AI tools allow users to generate high-quality videos from detailed text descriptions. Simply input your ideas and watch them come to life as dynamic visual content. Turn your static images into vibrant videos with motion, transitions, and creative elements using cutting-edge image-to-video conversion tools. Create videos that suit your needs, whether you prefer lifelike visuals or artistic, stylized outputs. The flexibility of Animate Image AI caters to all creative visions. With optimized processing speeds, Animate Image AI lets you create high-quality videos quickly, ideal for both rapid prototyping and professional content creation. In addition to text-to-video capabilities, supports converting static images into animated videos. With motion, transitions, and added creative elements, your images become vibrant, moving content. Powered by advanced AI algorithms, AI intelligently interprets the input text or images, ensuring the generated video maintains visual coherence while reflecting the nuances of the provided content. Social media influencers and content creators can leverage Vidful AI's AI video generator to produce eye-catching videos that resonate with their followers. The AI video generator is perfect for platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok, enabling creators to quickly generate content that keeps up with the fast-paced nature of social media. Master the art of creating stunning videos with Vidful AI starts with understanding how to craft effective prompts for its tools. Just like explaining an idea or concept clearly to someone close to you, providing detailed and specific input to the model unlocks endless possibilities, helping you turn your imagination into reality effortlessly. To generate a video that aligns with your vision, it's important to create a detailed and imaginative prompt that includes specific keywords while extending the content to provide a rich description. Select high quality, clear, and sharp images for the best outcomes. Avoid using blurry or low resolution photos as they can impact the final result. Pair your image with a detailed and well-crafted text description to ensure the generated content aligns perfectly with your vision. Now, the question remains, is AI video generation a game changer for creators? The answer is a resounding yes, but with a few caveats. The demand for video is exploding, but many creators simply don't have the resources or time to keep up. AI tools bridge that gap, democratizing video creation for everyone. AI video generation allows creators to focus on generating fresh ideas and pumping out content consistently, which is key to audience growth. These tools can sometimes struggle with complex narratives or nuanced creative visions. The results might not always be polished or completely original, and they may require some fine-tuning after generation. Now let's wrap this up with a few final thoughts. So there you have it, Vidful AI, a tool that's fast, intuitive, and designed to help you create videos that captivate. Whether you're creating for social media, marketing, or personal projects, this platform delivers. But don't just take my word for it, try it yourself. Now, let's talk about pricing. Vidful AI offers a generous free plan that allows you to create videos from images and explore their Kling AI and Luma AI technologies. If you need more advanced features and unlimited video generation, the Pro plan is priced at 9.9 per month. For businesses with higher volume needs, they offer a custom-priced enterprise plan. You can find more details on their pricing page. Click the link in the description to start your free trial. And if you've already tried Vidful AI, drop your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it. AI video generation is still in its early stages, but its potential is undeniable. It's a powerful tool that can help creators of all levels bring their visions to life faster and more efficiently. So, I encourage you to experiment with platforms like Vidful AI, explore the possibilities, and see how AI can enhance your own creative process. What's the one feature you wish AI video tools like Vidful AI had? Let's discuss in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ideaplex for more tech reviews and tips. Until next time, keep creating.